What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And I think they're right when they say the third time's a charm, because this is my third time recording all of these intros and outros. And it's not because I don't know what I'm doing. It's because I got a new camera. It's a Canon, and I am tweaking every little setting, trying to get it perfect so you guys can really enjoy the video and not focus on all the behind the scenes stuff that I have to worry about. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing and setup of a monitor stand from a company called MountUp. It's very cheap at $50, guys. This thing is $50 and you can stand two monitors on it up to 32 inches in size, and they can hold about 17 pounds. And after I finish uploading this video, I'm gonna start working on the review video for this product right here. It was sent to me for review, but that's not gonna change my opinion on the product, although I do wanna thank MountUp for sending it out to me, as it does help the channel continue to grow, guys. So in this video, what you're gonna see is a very quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box, and then we're gonna go through my setup process. And I was using my new camera when I recorded it, and I hope this video is gonna be able to help some of you guys out there if you bought this or you just wanna watch it before you actually set yours up. Let's get down into the unboxing and setup. Let's go. We are here in front of the dual monitor desk mount by MountUp, using a new camera for this video, so please be patient. Once again, we get the buck knife. Thanks, Joey. My buddy Joey gave me this for my birthday. Nice guy. Let's open this up. Boom, open that up. Okay, we are greeted with the box here, instructions here, and smelling good. And we have the dual monitor arm. So let's get this out. Something right there in the back, press fit in. Don't forget that in the back of the box. That is everything that comes inside the box. So we have two upper arms right here. We have two cable covers right there. We have the lower arm right here. We have the base right here. We have the D1 right here. And then we have a bunch of assorted screws, and all are included in D. So that's going to be all this stuff. So everything is included there. The instructions right here, and it says apply pads E1 and 2 to the base. So we can keep the screws in the bag so we don't lose them. We're gonna take the base, and it's saying to put these little stickers on them to avoid damaging around the corners and the back here. So I'm guessing those are gonna go right here on the back of the mount here. And then you got two little corners here that are going to go on the opposite end right here. Okay. My desk is a little banged up. It's like 6 years old. I got it from IKEA, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not worried about it. Not worried about it at all. So this is going to go over this right here. So what screws are going to go in here? We are tightening bolt K. The easiest thing to do is to get that under there, tighten one a little bit, and then tighten the other one a little bit. And then you can just go in with the Allen wrench and tighten them up nice. Really hard when it's really hot and you're an idiot, so be careful not to be an idiot when you make videos. You understand. Ow! You see my head right there? I hit it on the corner of my desk, trying to prepare this YouTube video for you. So I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and the subscribe button. I put a Band-Aid on, and we should be good. It's not as easy making YouTube videos as people think. Next step is going to be adjust the clamp width to fit your desk. Secure stand to the desktop by tightening the clamp. I tightened it right back here. Looks pretty secure. Plastic piece on it right there. That looks pretty good in the middle. Install the lower arm and upper arm into the base. Do not tighten the screw excessively. So this one is going to go. Okay, that one's gonna go there. Okay. That's pretty good. Secure the arm by tightening the Allen key. but you do not want to tighten it too much, it says. So it seems to already be pretty tight. I mean, all right, that's not too difficult. You just got to be careful. You can really feel it once it stops, but it is pretty tight. Okay, so we got A and B. I don't think this matters here. We're gonna put that there. Very nice quality, I've gotta say. Okay, so yeah, these need to be tightened, but so we'll just put those in there. Okay, so you gotta be careful with that because that bounces up. Okay, so we're gonna get the screw leverage right here, and we're just gonna turn it until we feel the pressure. Oh, that's good. Okay, a little tight actually. Oh, yeah, it's tight. Okay, so the next step is to attach the monitors. We've got a couple extra screws and bolts, and we've got a couple spacers, and a little difficult for you guys to see, but so you're going to install 4 screws on your monitor exactly like this. Sorry for the voiceover, guys. So we're definitely going to need to increase the gas tension for this monitor. In order to increase the tension, you need to come over here. It says, be sure to keep the arm in a horizontal position. So right here. So then we are going to raise the tension here. Okay, it's raising a little bit. Okay. Oh, that one seems to be working well. Now we are going to install the second one here. After that, now we know exactly what we're doing. Okay, I gotta say, so far so good. Other than the whole hitting your head thing. This is a Dell 4K monitor. If you ever get the chance, make sure not to buy a Dell cheap 4K monitor. This has been the worst monitor for HDR. It doesn't work in Windows if you have HDR on. I'm only keeping this monitor because it's serving a purpose just as a second screen right now. I don't use it to grade or to match colors. I use my Asus monitor for that because it seems to have very good calibration. Okay, so we're going to lift up the monitor. Okay, after 2 screws are in there, you can relax a little bit. This one's a little lighter, but this does need to be adjusted. Okay, that one seems to be good. These monitors swing this way really nicely. They move up. They move down, and you've even got the vertical, which will be really nice for editing video. And there are some other things you need to do, like cable management, but this was fairly easy. Okay guys, we're back. We set up this dual monitor stand from Mount Up. I'm not gonna go in too deep as to give you a review here. I'm gonna sum up my review in the next video. If you're watching this video in the future and you wanna see my review video, it'll be right there. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I've been doing this for over 5 years, maybe even 6 years. I've lost count. I am really excited to grow this channel and get better with making videos. And I really do this to help people and because I really enjoy it. So if you wouldn't mind, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.